Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix administrator permission on your Windows 11. So first of all, right here, you just need to go here at the search bar at the bottom, and we're gonna type your File Explorer. So from here, we're gonna open this File Explorer up, and then we're gonna look at this PC and the Windows 7. So click on Windows C and then click on users folder, and here we have a sample folder. So we're gonna right click this and then click on the properties. Now from here, go to the security tab, and then we're going to click on the advanced button, and then we're gonna click on the owner. So we're gonna click on this change right there beside the owner name. So click this one, and then we're gonna click on advanced. Once you click on advanced, you just need to select find now. So go to find now button right here, the right side. Search for user account or username or system username. So for example, right here, we're gonna search for the current username. So here, as you can see, you can scroll down until you find the current username, which is the I think the administrator or maybe Huawei name here. So we're gonna look at it. So here, so click on OK, and then click again the OK button right here. So once you've done, you just need to check the replace owner at the top, and then we're gonna click on apply button at the bottom right and click on the OK button. And once you've done this one, let's go to the next step. You need to close all the window tab right here or the apps. And then next step is go to the search bar at the bottom and try to type your CMD. And then just to make sure to click this run as administrator. Then here, we're gonna type some command prompt. So for example, let's type net user to find out our administrator permission. So from here, you have two permissions. So the guest, which is the administrator, and the Huawei. Now to see that, so net user, we're gonna type here net user and then type the username. Let's try out to administrator. Just an example here. So type administrator, then click enter. Now once you've done, you will find the account active at the top. So as you can see, it is set to no. So if we're gonna look at the main administrator permission username, it's the Huawei. So let's type here net user, and then we're gonna put the username. So again, let's try to use the second username, net user, and then the username. Click enter, and here you'll find the account active is on the yes, which is enable. So this is our administrator permission. Now let's try to set it on no. So net username for user, then username space for the slash, and then click on active colon, then no. Then click enter. So let's try again, net user, then we're gonna find out if it's changed the account active like this one. So we're gonna type right here net, then user, then click on username. You can see it is successfully changed. So net, and then user, and then type right here the username to see if it's turned to active or set it to no. So as you can see, it is set to no. So let's get it back here. So let's get enable. So again, user, net user, then username space for the slash active colon, then yes. So to check it again, let's go type net, then type here user, and then a username. So as you can see here, it's turned to enable or yes. And once you follow all the steps right here, you can now restart your computer to confirm all the changes. So that's how you basically fix the administrator permission on your Windows 11. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.